If you launch Wuthering Waves through the Epic Games Store and the game is running but not opening, then follow the instructions off this video to learn how to fix it in a quick and easy way. First, click on the three dots. Click on Manage. In Installation, click on the folder icon. Locate the launcher executable. Double-click the launcher file. Press Start. Wait for the game to be updated. Now the game will restart. Enter your credentials or register a new account. Select a server. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.